The question is, if A minus 2, 1, B A 0, C 4B and D 1, 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. Find the values of A and B, hence find the length of its sides. This is the parallelogram ABCD. A minus 2, 1, B A 0, C 4B, D 1, 2. Let midpoint of this BD and AC is XY, PXY. In a parallelogram we know diagonals bisect. So BD is the diagonal. BD is one diagonal. So X B A 0 D 1, 2. So X1 equal to A, Y1 equal to 0. X1, Y1. That is the first point's X coordinate is A and Y coordinate is 0. Second point's X coordinate, that is D's X coordinate is, that is X2. X2 is equal to 1, comma, Y2 is equal to 2. Therefore, PXY, that is the midpoint of BD. So, midpoint X coordinate is given by the formula X1 plus X2 by 2. That is equal to X1 is A, X1 plus X2, X2 is 1. That is A plus 1 by 2. That is the X coordinate. And Y coordinate is given by the formula Y equal to Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Y1 is 0. Y2 is 2. Therefore, Y equal 0 plus 2 by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So we get S coordinate and Y coordinate of the midpoint of BD, that is PXY. X equal A plus 1 by 2. Similarly, P is also the midpoint of the diagonal AC. So A coordinates of A, that is minus 2, 1. Coordinate of C, that is 4B. So we know the point P is also the midpoint of the diagonal AC. Therefore, X is given by the formula X equal X1 plus X2 by 2. That is equal to X1 is minus 2. X2 is 4. So minus 2 plus 4 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 plus 4, 2. 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. That we know. Then Y coordinate is Y equal Y1 plus Y2 by 2. That is equal to Y1 is 1. Y2 is B. 1 plus B by 2. That is Y coordinates. 1 plus B by 2. Next step is, yes, if you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. We got the value of X, that is equal to A plus 1 by 2. In this case, we got x equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So substitute this value x equal to 1 in the first case. So x equal to a plus 1 by 2, that is equal to, that is here x equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So x equal to a plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. That is x equal a plus 1, that is equal to, bring 2 to the right hand side, that is 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Therefore x equal a plus 1, that is equal to 2. That is a equal 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. We get the value of a is equal to 1. Similarly, here y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 0 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. In the second case, y equal to 1 plus b by 2, that is y equal 1 plus b by 2, that is equal to y equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. That is y equal 1 plus b, that is equal to 1 into 2, that is equal to 1 plus b equal to 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Therefore, b equal, bring 1 to the right hand side, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. We get value of a and b. Value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. So, another question, sub question is find the length of all sides. So we can find out the value, that is the distance between a and b, because a is 1 and b is also 1. We can calculate the that is the distance between a and b using the distance formula. If a is x1 y1 and b x2 y2, therefore AB equal root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the distance formula. In this case, A is minus 2, 1, B is equal to A 0. But the value of A we know, that is 1. Therefore, A x1 y1, that is minus 2, 1, and B A 0. A is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 0. Therefore, AB equal root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Here this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is 0. 0 minus 1 whole square. That is AB equal root of 1 minus minus 2. Minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 1. That is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. That is 1 square. This is equal to 1 plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 2 is 3. Therefore, root 3 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root of 9. 3 into 3, 9. That is 9 plus 1. That is equal to root 10. Therefore, this side AB is equal to root 10. Similarly, we can find out BC, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Similarly, we can find out CD, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Next step is, length of this side BC. We know the value of A. Value of A is equal to 1. That is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. B is equal, value of B is equal to 2 minus 1. That is also equal to 1. Then BC equal, length of BC we can find out. BC, B, A0, A is 1, 1 0, and C, that is 4B, that is 4 1, 4 1, that is BC. Then BC equal root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 4 minus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 1 minus 0 whole square. That is equal to root of 4 minus 1 whole square, 4 minus 1 3, that is equal to root of 3 square plus 1 square. That is equal to root of 3 square is 9 plus 1 square is 1. That is equal to 9 plus 1. That is equal to root 10. So BC is equal to root 10. Similarly, we can find out CD. C, 4B. 4B means 4 1. We know the value of B is equal to 1. So 4 1 and D 1 2. Then length of CD equal root of, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. That is x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 1 minus 4 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 2 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to 1 minus 4 whole square. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 1, 1 square. That is equal to root of minus 3 whole square, that is 9. That is root of 9 plus 1. That is equal to root of 10. So, the length of CD is equal to root of 10. We know the length of AB is equal to root 10. Length of BC is equal to root 10. Length of CD is equal to root 10. Then we can calculate length of AD is also root 10. It will be root 10. We can calculate. Next step is, if you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Then we can also find out the fourth side AD using the distance formula. We had already get this AB is equal to root 10, BC is equal to root 10 and CD is equal to root 10. So automatically AD will be root 10 because this is a parallelogram. Then A minus 2 1 and D 1 2. Therefore AD equal root of, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, root of x2 minus x1 whole square 1 minus minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 2 minus 1 whole square, that is equal to root of 1 minus minus 2, that is 1 plus 2. This is 1 plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 2 whole square is 3 square. Plus 2 minus 1 whole square, that is 1 square. That is equal to AD equal root of 3 square, that is 9, plus 1 square, that is 1. That is equal to root of 10. So, 4 sides are equal. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. I will do 15 videos for 10th standard students. If you attend all these videos and practice very well, you can easily score 70 to 80% marks. I had already done formulas videos. You just attend that formula videos and by heart all the formulas. Wish you all the best. Thank you.